Hey, what's good guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get one-to-one Gucci, Louis Vuitton. I'm going to show you guys a quick seller, and I'm going to try to keep this video as fast as possible. So yeah, today we're going to be talking about Nina. She has some of the best leathers on the market, I'd say. You can get Louis Vuitton, Goyard, Fendi, really anything. So I'm going to show you guys basically a step-by-step guide. So first thing you want to do is come over to her Instagram right here. Go ahead and hit her up with a follow. And I'm on PC, and I'm not logged in. But you'd basically just follow her. Then you'd want to head over to her Youpo or Youpow or however the fuck you pronounce it. And you'd find an item you like. So I'm gonna look through and I'll just pick this item right here, this blue Louis Vuitton wallet. Now you want to keep note of the special code right here. Okay. So copy that special code and we can just open up a notepad for it. Paste it in there. There you go. You're good. Now what you want to do is come over here and like I said, I've actually gone ahead and just written this up real quick. So follow Nina on Instagram, go to her Youpo like we just did, and find the item you like. Copy the unique item ID. Now this is the unique item ID. Oops. This right here. And then send her the ID and proceed. So when talking to Nina, she'll accept a few different payment methods. Basically PayPal, MoneyGram, and Western Union. There might be a few more, but those are the three main. And the one you want to focus on is PayPal. Well, that's what I'm showing today. But basically, what you do is you send Nina this unique ID and be like, hey, I'm looking to purchase this item. Then she'll ask, where do you live? Tell her where you live. And she'll give you shipping cost and she'll give you the total price. And then she'll tell you her PayPal email. If you ask, she'll ask, like, what do you want to pay with? Say PayPal. Then you can go ahead and pay. Now, I'm on a fake PayPal account. And I'm just showing you guys theoreticals. But what you would want to do is once you've picked out your item, you've talked to Nina, she's given you a price. Come over to PayPal and click money. Then you'd want to click send a request money. Then from here, you'd want to click send to friends and family. Don't do any of these else or she'll just refund the money. Do send to friends and family. Come here and you'll have her email because she'll give it to you, but for just now, we'll put like Nina example for video at gmail.com. Then we're going to go ahead and click next. Now, Nina would give you a price, so let's say the item is $150 plus $20 shipping. We'd put $170 and add a note. Let's put our Instagram. So just say my Instagram was like simplicity. Do not click this, or she'll, like I said, refund the money and then you'll have to do it over again. Then all you do is click continue. And obviously I got an error because this account's limited and I have no money on it. But yeah, that's basically all you do. Come to this site. Get this. Send it to Nina. Here's her Instagram. I'll leave it in the description. This is a new Instagram. She also has a WeChat. I don't know what it is. I've only purchased through her Instagram, but her old Instagram got taken down. This is the new one. Like I said, link in the description. Copy this, send it to her. She's doesn't know the best English, but her English is quite good. So yeah, besides that, it should be quite easy. Let me know what you guys cop in the description. I'll be having a Goyard side bag opening in like 3 to 4 days. But yeah, that's about it. I'll leave everything you guys need in the description. And yeah, talk to you guys later. Peace.